Recently, I have received a request from a few potential customers asking if the Noobstars AI can write in Java or Python or other languages and perform different tasks. The short answer is yes. And here is a quick demo of how AI can write a program. There are three types of AI use. The first one is very simple. So basically any project manager can do it. For example, you need to get some information from API. In this case, you write the same, get info from API. You just press enter. And here you go. The AI will provide you with the ready-to-go blocks of code. So the only thing you have to do is just to provide some information from which website you want to get info, etc. and what type of data. And you know why it's useful? Because let's be honest, there is nothing new in REST or representational state transfer. So basically when you ask a developer to get some information from some website or API, you just asking them to copy the already existing code. And this is what AI will do for you without even asking the developer. The project manager can do it by himself. The second use, you can deploy the code with the default parameters. For example, if you want to just use HTTP GET, you just write it down like this, HTTP GET. You press the enter button and here you are. You get the basic predefined HTTP GET. And the third type is more advanced, or you can say more customized. In this case, you can deploy code basically step by step. If you know what to do, but you don't want to spend time writing all the code by yourself. In this case, you just write HTTP GET and custom. So after you press the button, you will get the first block of code, and then you will be asked by AI which method you want to use. Register it. Let's say register it. Okay, now you get your line of code, and then you will be asked what type of response you want. Let's say raw. And here you go. You see how easy it was. And it was just a basic example of the function, I believe, used by many companies, from banks to software development companies. Noobstars AI can save your company hundreds of hours on software development. The AI can be deployed within your organization with your specific requirements, no matter what language or frameworks you are using today.
Hey human, do you want to try me?